In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Acuity Scheduling for events and classes. In order to do that, first head over to acuityscheduling.com. From in there, you should be able to see in here this Get Started option. Now, into this part, you can proceed to click on this in order to create an account, or if you already have one, just proceed to click on this login option. Now, here is my actual login option right there, and here is my logged in dashboard. Now, into this part, in order to use Acuity for events, we can head over and create a new appointment type. Click on this appointment type option, and from in there, you can head over and click on this new type of group class. Once you're in here, input right here the new type of class that you want. So for example, let's input right here event, concert. Input right here the duration, and input right here the price for that. Now you can input the file, access, group class if it's a group class or event with maximum number of people. And then click on this create appointment type, and then that appointment type will be created into your actual Acuity scheduling. Now in here, you can actually click onto this offer class option. So this is actually available for scheduling if you click on this option. Choose in here this offered at every Saturday at exactly 10 a.m. And you can make it recurring and click onto the save class. Once you have done that, the class and the event that you have created will be saved and it will be scheduled at this particular date and time. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.